Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the control settings on the Pixel Gun 3D game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Pixel Gun 3D game on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, click on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now from the settings page, tap on the joystick icon in order to change the controls for your joystick. To change the keyboard controls, tap on the keyboard icon, and now you can change all of the controls that have been assigned. In order to change any control, just click on the already assigned button, and when you are prompted, you can press the new button that you would like to change into. After repeating this process for all of your desired buttons, and for all of the various different game modes, you can press the back button, and your changes will automatically be saved. And now you can start enjoying your gameplay with your customized controls. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the control settings on the Pixel Gun 3D game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.